Welcome to Specialty Physicians of Illinois, LLC. Meet one of our doctors.
My name is Dr. Rizwan Moinuddin. I am a nephrologist here at St. James. Also, I'm an internal medicine program director for the internal medicine residency program here at St. James. For my training, I was born in India, but most of my training has been in Chicago, starting from high school down to college. I was at Hyde Park at University of Chicago. Then I did my medical school with the Chicago College of Osteopathic Medicine in Downers Grove, which included a lot of training here at St. James Hospital in Olympia Fields. After my training at Loyola for Maywood, I went on to Arizona for 3 years of nephrology training and interventional nephrology. Then very excited to be back in the same area where I grew up and learned medicine and practicing nephrology here. The reason I chose nephrology is a very complicated answer, really, but at the core of it, it's probably the communication. I was in a field where it allowed me to keep constant communication. I would have to talk to the patients. It's a life-changing disease to have chronic kidney disease, and the patients need a lot of explaining, a lot of talking to, and that was one of the greatest attractions towards nephrology. In addition to that, it allowed me to really not forgo my math skills, my physics skills, and nephrology allowed me to have a good interplay of all of those aspects of medicine and biology for me. That's why I chose nephrology. My ultimate care philosophy is, at the end of each clinic visit, I want the patient to feel comfortable in knowing that I know what their disease process is, that I know what their treatment plan is, but in addition to that, that they've walked away with a better understanding of what their disease process is and what their treatment plan is. What's helped me become a better doctor has been my upbringing. I'm the fifth of 6 children in my household, and my parents have helped me develop a strong sense of responsibility. And to me, in addition to my parents, my siblings have helped a great deal with their life experiences ahead of me, and also my younger sibling. Those all have come together in really molding the type of physician that I am. What my patients I feel like most about me is my eye-to-eye contact with them, that I don't let them go out of the clinic without them truly, or even in the hospital, without them truly understanding that I'm there to take care of them, that I'm going to work with them for whatever the end goal is, and that I'm ultimately trying to make them better. And ultimately also working to have them have ownership of their own body and whatever disease process they may be dealing with. On a personal note, the thing that I'm most proud about is, of course, my family. I am married with 3 children, and the youngest of mine is just turned a year old, so that keeps us very active at home. The other 2 also keep us very active at home. A 9-year-old daughter was the eldest, and then we have a 7-year-old son. So the family atmosphere, the family, being around family is the most personal thing about me. Whenever I talk to my patients about myself, I bring out pictures of my families, and they share pictures of their families. And to me, that is what allows me to connect on a personal level with the patients. The one piece of advice I have for my patients is I really want them to understand that if we could take away their disease process, we would. The most successful patients are the patients that know their body and know their disease processes and come to us with questions so that we can further explain to better their understanding. And that to me leads to a healthier patient and a better outcome in a large majority of the patients.
Specialty Physicians of Illinois, LLC has assembled an unmatched team of accomplished physicians to provide comprehensive specialty healthcare services to patients of all ages across a broad spectrum of disciplines. For more information, go to www.spidoctors.com or call 708-679-2380.